So you've sprained your ankle and you've been told you need an ankle support brace. I'm going to review the Thuasne Dynastab BOA. Okay, it comes in a box like that from a company called Thuasne. There's 4 sizes, 0 to 3, and you go on the website and it tells you how you measure it based on the circumference of the ankle. When you open the box, it comes out of the box, and it's quite complicated because it's got 2 straps on either side, and it's got a button at the front here. And what you do is you give it to the patient. This button here stands for BOA, like boa constrictor. You pull this button out and that releases the strap. So it opens and widens it, and you give it to the patient so that the firm bits is what they grab. The tongue often gets in the way, and you put it through so that your toes come out the front and your heel comes out the back. So Cass, one of our senior nurses, is now going to show you how you put it on. You grab your foot round, you've really got to force it through, pull the tongue out because it gets in the way, and then you push the button here so it locks, and then turn it clockwise until it feels snug. Okay, don't suffocate your foot. If it does suffocate, you can just release it by pulling it upwards. And then you've got these 2 straps here, and I always take the outer one first, pull it around, get this one out of the way, pull it around the foot, and then come round and stick this on the outside front here. Okay, it tries to pull off, but you just release it a little bit so that it's not under tension. And then you grab the inner one and you crisscross it around like that, and then it comes around to stick there. Okay, and I'm now going to ask Cass to try it herself, so I'm going to take it off. Well, let you take it off, and then we'll put it back on. So do you want to try taking it off? And then pull the button out, yep, and then it should release it, and then you pull the whole thing off. Okay, and that's it, and then it can go back on the side and you do whatever you like. Now let's put it back on. So I'm going to give it to you like that now, and you can try putting it back on yourself this time. Push the button, turn it clockwise, and then grab the straps. So it's interesting, you've taken the inner strap first. I tend to say if someone's sprained the outside of the ankle, that I use the outer one first, and the inner side of the ankle, you'd use the inner one first. For you, let's assume you've injured the ligament on the inside, so you've chosen that one first, and it's come around and strapped on the inside. And now grab the outer one and crisscross it around. And it needs to be stretched enough so that it's giving you that support across the ankle. And sometimes we grab where we're not sure if it's going to hold or it's under tension, we grab this and just put it over the top like that, just to give it a little bit of extra support. And the same on this side, you go over the other one to give it a little bit of extra support, just so it doesn't want to pull off. Okay, and then you can try standing up now and try putting a shoe on. Should we put the shoe on and see if it works? So it should fit into most trainers if you release the trainers or any shoes. That's great.